I used to just fish with bread, a hook, and a line tied to a stick. Hang out next to a little old creek and see what I get. Always wanted to come fishing down here. Normally it's got a lot of people and I just kind of stay to myself. This is the first time I've got down in here and fished. I expect to do pretty good though. This is that same creek that I said was my go-to bass creek. It's just this is a lot further down. The other creek's probably like 3 miles that way, the rest of it. So this is further down. I'm gonna try even further down before too long, but I just want to try this spot because that little waterfall, I figured this would be a nice little area here. Oh yeah, nice looking smallmouth. Bass, he's chunky, super chunky. Get him back in there. Throw it out there, let it sink for a minute. Kind of reel the line a little tight. Give it a couple of little pops. Most of the time these things can't resist that. If you can get it close to one of them anyway. Smallmouth. Well, looks like it's starting to rain on me. That's why you always go for one last cast. And that's right. That's a nice one. Get you back in there, bud.